One thing I love about the cryptocurrency space is the consistent innovation. It is either the launch of a brand new system that will solve a particular problem or the improvement of an existing solution. In this video, we will see a typical example of how Remitano is improving on an existing solution. Now, Remitano wants to shift from a centralized P2P platform to a decentralized one, and they are starting this with the launch of the Renec token mining. You can get this token right now for free. Anyways, as you will expect, I've done my research on this product. I've read a white paper and I'll be sharing my findings with you. And I'll also tell you why you should join other Remitano users to start mining this token, and of course, how to go about it. So if you're ready for this video, let's get started. Remitano is a centralized exchange, but the world with respect to blockchain is moving towards decentralization. A decentralized network does not require a middleman, so the risk of scam is eliminated. Transactions are confirmed faster and your fund is totally in your control. So Remitano wants to transition into a decentralized network, starting with these 4 products in mind. Low-fee decentralized P2P. This will allow users to transfer tokens amongst each other at the lowest fee. The second is decentralized token exchange. This will allow users to swap one token for another at a very low fee. The next is decentralized escrow service. Now, this will be a one-of-a-kind fiat to crypto P2P exchange. And the last is smart contract system, where you can actually develop your own smart contract. But this does not stop here. More products are going to come. They're just starting with this first 4. Also, these 4 products and others that will come after it are going to be managed by different blockchain but hosted on the Remitano network. And the Renec token that I'm going to show you how to mine right now is going to be used as gas fee. So I'm going to share my phone screen right now to show you how to mine the Renec token. To mine the Renec token, you need to do that using the Remitano app. Now, if you have not signed up to Remitano, there's a link in the description. Make sure you use that link to sign up. Once you've signed up, download the app and complete level 1 verification. You can only mine Renec after you have completed level 1 verification. Level 1 verification is just verifying your phone number. Now, to complete level 1 verification, you click here and go to settings to do that. Once you have done that, to start mining, click on mining Renec here. Then you click on mine. This is how you mine Renec. However, you need to come back after 24 hours to click on it again. You can see here that I have already mined 95 Renec. If I go straight to my wallet, you will also see my Renec balance, 95 Renec. Currently, I'm mining 0.02 Renec per hour. So I'll be sharing my computer screen with you right now to show you how you can earn more Renec. There are 2 ways to earn more Renec token. One is upgrading your verification level. Now, when you sign up to Remitano and complete level 1 verification, which is your phone number verification, you will be able to mine 0.01 Renec per hour, which is 0.24 Renec in 24 hours. If you want to mine more, you need to upgrade to level 2 verification. This is identity verification, and this is uploading your government issue ID card like your international passport, your driver's license, and your national ID card. If you do so, you can mine 0.02 Renec per hour, which is 0.48 Renec in 24 hours. Now, the second way to earn more Renec is Renec commission from friends. So if you invite your friends to sign up on Remitano using your Remitano referral link and they sign up and start mining, you will earn 20% commission from whatever your friends earn. Let us look at an example. Let's say you invited 10 friends and 5 of them complete level 1 verification. It means that they'll be mining together 1.2 Renec in 24 hours. Let's say the remaining 5 completed level 2 verification. They collectively will be mining 2.4 Renec in 24 hours. So the total Renec your friends mine in 24 hours is 36 Renec, and your 20% commission is 0.72 Renec. This is what you earn in 24 hours in addition to what you are already mining. This is cool, right? Note that you can only earn the Renec token using the 2 ways I've mentioned above. One is the mining you're doing on the app, and secondly is the commission from referred friends still on the Remitano app. The Renec token is not traded anywhere for now, so any platform that says they buy or sell the Renec token is a scam. Keep off. So the next question we're asking right now is, how do I convert my Renec token to other currencies, and what is the value of the Renec tokens? So we'll discuss that in the future of Renec. And lastly, the total supply of the Renec token has not been determined. This will depend on the result of the mining program. Remitano expects 5 million users to participate in this mining program. This will bring us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think the value of the Renec token is going to be? I'm waiting in the comment section right now. Let me know right away. That said, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. Click on the bell icon to get notified when we release awesome videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.